Gaude, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. We discuss the Lagrangian for the non-holonomic constants. Example on non-holonomic constants and Lagrangian. From the Lagrangian formulation of topic first, classical mechanics, which from MSc post and semester post. There is one more example. Set up the Lagrangian and Lagrange's equation of motion for simple pendulum. Consider simple pendulum. One end is fixed and other end is fastened. And suppose that length of the string is L and other end is B of xy, with the position coordinate of the pendulum at an instant t. Then the equation of constraint is given by x square plus y square is equal to L square. Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, because there is a right angle triangle, therefore x is equal to L cos theta, y is equal to L cos theta, our polar coordinate of xy, and theta is the generalized angle made by the pendulum with the vertical. This shows that x and y are not generalized coordinate. We see that the only theta determines the position of the pendulum at an instant time t. Hence, it is a generalized coordinate. Theta is the generalized coordinate, and kinetic energy is given by mu square 1 by 2 mu square and mgl or mgx. Therefore, T is equal to 1 by 2 m L theta dot bracket square and V is equal to mgl 1 minus cos theta. Hence, the Lagrangian of the motions becomes TL is equal to T minus V 1 by 2 m L theta dot square minus mgl 1 minus cos theta. Therefore, Lagrange's equation of motions gives d by dt of del by L by del by theta dot minus del by L by del by theta is equal to 0. Therefore, theta double dot minus g by L sin theta is equal to 0. This is the second order differential equation of and it determines the motions of the pendulum, simple pendulum. Now, one more example. Now, see here. A pendulum of mass is attached to a block of mass M. The block slides on a horizontal frictionless surface. Find the Lagrangian and equations of motion of the pendulum for all amplitude oscillations. Derive an expression for the periodic time. Consider a pendulum of mass M attached to one end of the light and in extensible string of length L, and other end is attached to a block of mass M, capital M. The system is shown as figure. Now see here. And pendulum makes an angle theta with the original positions, and pendulum of mass mb x10 and x2y2 respectively. First position x10 and second position x2y2. Therefore, x2 is equal to x1 plus L sin theta and y2 is equal to L cos theta. we see that the position coordinates of the pendulum are related by the constant equations, hence these are not the generalized coordinate. The generalized coordinate in this case are x1 and theta. The kinetic energy of the system is the sum of the kinetic energy of the pendulum and kinetic energy of the block. Therefore, T is equal to 1 by 2 m x1 dot square plus 1 by 2 m x1 dot square plus I L square theta dot square plus 2L x1 dot theta 1 theta dot cos theta, and potential energy is given by minus mgl cos theta. Therefore, Lagrangian L is equal to T minus V, and it is given by 1 by 2 capital M plus small m x1 dot square plus 1 by 2 m L square theta dot square plus 2L x1 dot theta dot cos theta plus mgl cos theta. Since theta and x1 are the generalized coordinate, hence the corresponding Lagrange's of motion equation of motion is given by d by dt of del by L by del by theta dot minus del by L by del by theta is equal to 0, and d by dt of del by L by del by x1 dot minus del by L by del by x is 1 is equal to 0, and this gives ml square theta double dot plus mgl cos theta x1 double dot plus mgl sin theta is equal to 0, and m plus m x1 double dot plus ml theta dot double dot is equal to 0. Hence, if theta is very small, therefore sin theta is equal to theta and cos theta is equal to theta 1. Therefore, theta double dot plus x1 double dot divided by L plus g by L theta is equal to 0. Eliminating x1 double dot between equation, and we get theta double dot is equal to capital M plus M g divided by ml capital M into L sin theta. This is required equation of simple harmonic motion, and the period time t is given by t is equal to 2 pi divided by square root of acceleration per unit displacement. Therefore, t is equal to 2 pi square root of ml divided by capital M plus M g. Next concept, spherical pendulum. A point mass constant to move on the surface of a sphere, it's called spherical pendulum. A point mass constant to move on the surface of a sphere is called spherical pendulum. Example for spherical pendulum and Lagrange's equation of spherical pendulum is now here. In a spherical pendulum, a particle of mass m moves on the surface of the sphere of radius r in a gravitational field. Show that the equation of motion of the body particle may be written as theta double dot minus p square phi cos theta divided by m square r raised to 4 sin cube theta minus g by r sin theta is equal to 0, where p phi is the constant of angular momentum. Let p of xyz be the position coordinate of the particle moving on the surface of a sphere of radius r. P of r theta phi are its spherical coordinates. Then x is equal to r sin theta cos phi, y is equal to r sin theta sin phi. z is equal to r cos theta. Give the number of equation. Clearly it shows that uh, x, y, z are not the generalized coordinate because it is not dependent. Here theta phi are the generalized coordinate. Therefore kinetic and potential energies are given by 1 by 2 mr square theta dot square plus sine square theta phi dot square, and V is equal to mgr cos theta. Therefore L is equal to T minus V, and it is given by L is equal to 1 by 2 m r square theta dot square plus sine square theta pi dot square minus mgr cos theta. Two Lagranges are given by d by dt of da by L da by theta dot minus da by L da theta is equal to 0, and d by dt of da by L da phi dot minus da by L da phi is equal to 0. Therefore mr square theta double dot minus mr square sine theta cos theta phi dot square minus mgr sin theta is equal to 0, and mr square sine square theta phi dot is equal to constant is equal to p phi. Eliminating phi dot between these two equations, therefore theta double dot minus p square p phi square cos theta divided by m square r raised to 4 sine cube theta minus g by r sin theta is equal to 0, where p pi is constant of angular momentum, and complete our task today.